How to fix Black Ops 2 Unhandled exception caught error in Windows. To fix Black Ops 2 Unhandled exception caught error in Windows, try 1. Install Visual C++, vcredits_x86.exe, and DirectX, xitook.exe from within Black Ops 2's root folder. For Steam players, use the following path: Library Properties Local Files, browse Local Files 2. Launch the Black Ops 2 game. In its compatibility mode, like this. Plan B, run the program Compatibility Troubleshooter. 3. Delete t6mp.exe from Black Ops 2's root folder. Refer to the IMG below. Then launch the Verify Integrity of Game Files option in Steam.